Good morning, and welcome to our guide on how to attract anything you want. Whether you're here to find success in your personal life, excel in your career, or simply enhance your overall well-being, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical steps to help you achieve your desires. Today, we'll look into understanding the foundational principles that can lead you towards attracting your dreams into reality. The concept we're exploring today, commonly known as the law of attraction, suggests that the energy you put out into the world is what comes back to you. If you've ever wondered why certain patterns keep occurring in your life, or how you can change your circumstances for the better, understanding this principle can be a game changer. So, let's begin by laying down the framework that will guide us through this process. First, let's talk about desire. What does it really mean to want something? Desire is more than just a fleeting wish or a simple want. It's a deep-seated yearning for something that feels significant to your life's journey. Whether it's a career goal, a personal improvement, or a lifestyle change, being clear about what you truly want is the first step in attracting it. Clarity plays a crucial role here. It's not enough to say, "I want to be happy" or "I want to be successful." These are too vague and make it difficult for you to focus your efforts. Instead, specifying what happiness or success looks like to you makes your desire tangible. For example, happiness might mean having a fulfilling job and loving relationships, while success could be defined as achieving a specific professional milestone. By being specific, you provide a clear target for your actions and thoughts. Imagine standing in front of a dartboard. If you don't know exactly where the bullseye is, how can you aim your dart? The same principle applies to your desires. Knowing what you're aiming for allows you to align your mental and physical energies towards that goal. It's about creating a mental image of your desire that is so vivid and detailed that it feels almost real. This image should encompass not only the end result but also the attributes associated with it, the emotions, the environment, and even the steps you believe will lead you there. To refine your understanding of your desires, spend some time reflecting. Ask yourself, what truly motivates me? What makes me feel alive? It might help to write these down and review them. Writing not only helps in clarifying thoughts but also acts as a commitment you're making to yourself. While we move forward in our discussion, the next critical element in attracting what you want is your mindset. Mindset shapes your perception and your reaction to the world around you. It influences whether you'll take a step towards your goals or retreat in the face of challenges. A positive mindset doesn't just help in seeing the good in situations, it actively creates opportunities for success. Positive thinking is foundational in the law of attraction. This isn't about ignoring problems or avoiding challenges. Instead, it's about maintaining a hopeful and optimistic outlook that encourages solutions. When you believe positive outcomes are possible, you are more likely to take the actions necessary to bring them about. Your thoughts are powerful allies in your journey towards achieving your desires. Consider this: every action begins with a thought. If your thoughts are limited or negative, they restrict your ability to act. Conversely, if your thoughts are positive and expansive, they can propel you towards taking bold steps. It's crucial, then, to cultivate a habit of monitoring and adjusting your thoughts. Practice recognizing when your thoughts don't serve your goals and consciously replace them with ones that do. Having discussed the importance of mindset, let's now focus on visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifesting your desires. It involves picturing in your mind what you want to achieve with as much detail and clarity as possible. To start, make visualization a daily habit. Dedicate a few quiet minutes each day to close your eyes and picture your life as you want it to be. See yourself achieving your goals, experiencing the emotions associated with your success, and interacting within a setting that reflects this success. The more real it feels, the better. Emotion is the fuel that powers visualization. When you visualize, it's essential to not only see what you want but also feel the emotions associated with your desired outcome. Joy, pride, satisfaction. Allow yourself to experience these emotions as if you have already achieved what you're aiming for. This emotional connection reinforces your belief in the possibility of your desires turning into reality and acts as a powerful motivator to continue working towards your goals. By focusing on the power of mindset and the technique of visualization, the script continues to build upon the foundational concepts introduced earlier. These are designed to empower viewers with practical tools for maintaining a positive outlook and using visualization to clearly define and connect emotionally with their goals. This seamless continuation ensures coherence and helps maintain engagement as viewers are guided through the process of transforming their desires into achievable objectives. With a clear understanding of the power of mindset and visualization, the next step is crucial: translating these mental images and positive thoughts into an action plan. It's time to move from imagining success to creating a pathway to achieve it. Begin by setting goals that are both realistic and measurable. This means breaking down your larger desires into smaller, achievable objectives. For instance, if your overall goal is to improve your health, start with specific targets like incorporating 30 minutes of exercise into your daily routine or choosing healthier food options for your meals. By setting clear and measurable goals, you provide yourself with milestones that not only guide your efforts but also offer a way to track your progress. Alongside setting goals, establish a timeline for each step. This helps in maintaining a steady pace towards your desired outcomes and prevents the common pitfall of procrastination. A timeline acts as both a schedule and a motivator, reminding you of the need to act and the urgency to move forward. As we progress, it's important to recognize the influence of your environment on your ability to attract and achieve what you want. Your environment includes everything from the physical space around you to the people you interact with. To optimize this, begin by organizing your physical space. A tidy, well-arranged environment can boost your productivity and enhance your focus. Equally important is the company you keep. Surround yourself with supportive, positive people who encourage you and share your aspirations or have achieved what you aim to achieve. Their attitudes and actions can serve as a continuous source of inspiration and motivation. It's essential to consciously remove or minimize the negativity in your life. This could be negative habits, toxic relationships, or even media that does not align with your goals. Reducing these negative influences can free up more energy for you to focus on positive growth and moving forward towards your goals. Moving forward in our guide, it's important to address how to cope with setbacks. As you work towards your desires, encountering challenges is inevitable. Building resilience is key to maintaining your path and not being derailed by difficulties. Resilience involves staying focused on your goals, even when things don't go as planned. This means maintaining a positive outlook and using setbacks as learning opportunities. When a plan doesn't work out, assess what went wrong, adjust your strategies, and continue moving forward. Every setback is a chance to refine your approach. Being flexible in your methods while firm in your objectives is a crucial aspect of resilience. Flexibility allows you to navigate through obstacles by finding alternative ways to reach your goals. This adaptability can be the difference between giving up and finding a new way to succeed. As we approach the latter stages of our guide, let's explore the role of gratitude in attracting what you desire. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a powerful mindset that amplifies positivity and attracts more of what is appreciated. Incorporating daily gratitude practices into your routine can significantly enhance your ability to attract good things. Start or end your day by listing 3 things you are grateful for. This could be as simple as a warm meal, a sunny day, or progress towards a goal. Acknowledging these can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. Gratitude not only brings more joy into your life, it also broadens your attention and energy towards positive outcomes, which in turn attracts more positivity. By being grateful, you align yourself with the very essence of what you seek to attract, creating a cycle of positivity and abundance. While we progress towards the end of our guide, let's discuss the importance of continuous improvement in attracting what you want. Personal growth is not a destination, but a journey that requires ongoing effort and dedication. This is about striving to become better each day, not just in achieving your goals, but as an individual. To foster continuous improvement, focus on learning from every experience and adapting based on what you discover. This can involve seeking out new knowledge, refining your skills, or simply adjusting your strategies to better align with your objectives. Each step forward, no matter how small, contributes to your overall growth and brings you closer to what you aim to attract. Adopting a mindset of improvement means seeing every day as an opportunity to advance towards your goals. This perspective helps keep your journey fresh and dynamic, preventing stagnation and keeping you motivated. As we conclude our video on how to attract anything you want, let's recap the main points we've covered. We began by understanding the importance of clear desires and the power of a positive mindset. We discussed practical techniques like visualization and setting actionable goals, and emphasized the role of a supportive environment and resilience against setbacks. I encourage you now to take these insights and apply them to your life. Start with small steps, like refining your desires and practicing daily visualization. Build your action plan, adjust your environment, and foster gratitude. Resilience and continuous improvement are your allies on this journey. Thank you for joining this guide. Remember, the ability to attract what you want is not just about applying these techniques once, it's about integrating them into your everyday life. Keep your goals in sight, stay positive, and move forward with gratitude and resilience. Here's to your success and happiness.